This secret company is going viral for turning entrepreneurs into millionaires in just days. In 2022, an unknown tech startup released an AI that literally shocked the world. Coming out of nowhere, it's being used to make brand new companies millions of dollars every day. And despite it costing over $600,000 to create, it's completely free to use. The creators of this AI made it completely open source for anyone to use. Just like the AI DALL-E 2 made by Elon Musk's research lab OpenAI, this viral AI turns text prompts into images. And unlike OpenAI, they do not charge people to use it, it's completely free and it's making people rich. Stable Diffusion is the fastest growing technology company ever. They made their AI open source, meaning you or I can take it, use it, and sell it. And that is exactly what a group of entrepreneurs did. It took this technology and added it to their existing software company, Lensa. A company that's been around for years has used the virality of AI to completely skyrocket their sales, suddenly shooting past $2 million every day at their peak. And according to some sources, they've raked in over $38 million in just 60 days. So logically, that got me thinking, what AI company could I create? This technology is progressing at unprecedented rates and it's showing no signs of slowing down. And one of the biggest problems with ChatGPT is everyone's using it but nobody knows how to use it. So I thought I'd apply it to various industries. For example, many people are becoming more sensible with their money. We're coming into a recession and interest in money saving tips and investment strategies is on the rise. So an AI powered financial advisor could help users manage their finances. We could create a chatbot personal financial assistant that learns a user's proficiency for investing and recommends personal finance tips and personalized lessons, or could even be used to help the user achieve their personal finance goals. OpenAI's ChatGPT could easily be trained to do a task like this. We'd obviously need to create a system that alerts users to the risks of investing, but with the right setup, I definitely think there's a market for this tool. I can think of many ways to monetize this, but what with it being in the personal finance niche, we could probably just get away with a simple monthly subscription. Or what if we could create a home automation system, an AI that controls devices in a user's home, for example, lights, heating, thermostats, or even security and alarms. By using AI, you could create a system that learns from user habits and controls appliances to create a more comfortable living environment for its users. There could also be an AI-powered energy saving feature built in to help save the user energy and also money. I can see this creating privacy concerns, so that would have to be something that would be addressed. But similar AI tracking systems are being used in supermarkets to track customer foot traffic to optimize the floor space to increase sales. So it seems a logical progression to use this exact same technology in everyday life. I also like the idea of using AI for personal health and fitness, but what can we do other than using GPT-3 to create us diet? After all, this isn't a hugely time-consuming thing or expensive to do. It got me thinking about using AI to optimize our training routines, as tracking fitness can be time-consuming or expensive. So what if we built an AI that could analyze a user's fitness data, for example, using steps walked, calories burned, or average heart rate to provide personalized health recommendations? This could easily be sold as a monthly subscription, or you could upsell additional diet and fitness plans. These are just some ideas that I came up with, but I'm keen to see what ideas you guys have come up with. So comment them down below, but in the meantime, don't forget to watch this video here on how we can actually use AI to get rich.